Hello. Today I will show you how to replace Battery Sony WF-1000xm4 earbuds headphones. These earbuds are worth at least $200 and it would be a real pain to throw them away just for the battery, that doesn't last much longer. The manufacturer itself does not offer replacement batteries, so this repair will be a do-it-yourself solution. To do this you will need to buy a replacement battery. The link to these battery is in the video description. If you have small kids or animals at home, be careful not to let these batteries get to them. When you are ready, take one of the earbuds. Remove the silicone ear tip. As the earbud's body is dirty with earwax, take an alcohol wipe to clean the earbuds. The next task is to open the body of the earbuds, but there are no screws used in their construction. The housing of the earbuds is glued. To open the body of the earbuds you have to warm the body so that the glue stays soft. You can use a hairdryer on maximum heat, a building heat gun or a hot air soldering gun. It is important not to use too much heat so as not to damage the plastic of the headphone housing. After you have heated the body for a few minutes, try squeezing the body like a nut to get it to open up. As you can see, a gap has appeared. Then insert a thin object into the gap and try to open the housing completely. Just open it carefully so you don't break the internal wires. There are a lot of them. As you can see, it's like a small computer. The next task is to carefully disconnect the upper board from the lower one. With a narrow tool this can easily be done. Then you have to disconnect the ribbon cable. Start by opening the connector. This can be done with a nail or some other sharp tool. Once the connector is opened, all you have to do is pull out the ribbon cable. Do this with max care. These cables are easily damaged and almost impossible to repair. Then you have to detach the main board from the battery. This board is glued to the battery with double-sided adhesive tape. If you can't do that, you can also heat this part with hot air to make the glue softer. Then remove the old, damaged battery. Just don't damage the electronics inside and the battery mount also. There's the battery. Cool that you can do this without soldering. Take the new replacement battery. As you can see, it is the same, or at least it looks like it. The battery has to be put inside the earphone body so that the rubber line on the battery is on top. Before you put the main board back, look to see the plus contact is clean, as the headphones will get voltage through this contact. If contact is clean, you can put the main board back on the battery. The old double-sided adhesive tape that left on the bottom of the main board should be enough to fix it. Then carefully put the ribbon cable back in, but push it all the way in, then lock this connector. The last cable remains to be attached. Press the two parts of the connector together and they will be connected. Then put the earphone body back together. Then put the earbud in the charging case to start charging and wake them up. Put it in the ear. If you hear any sound from the earbud, then you know that everything is connected and the new replacement battery is working. Put a few small drops of glue on the edge of the headphone body so you can glue the two parts together. Squeeze the housing parts of the earphone together. If the glue squeezes out somewhere, wipe it off and keep the earphones squeezed together for a while until the glue dries. Then put the silicone ear tip back on and I can say, well done, you've done 50% of the job. Do the same with the second earbud headphone. Start by removing the silicone ear tip. Then clean the earbud body with a wipe. Also clean the silicone ear tip, as it is very, very dirty. Then heat the headphone body to get the housing opened. Then disconnect the main boards from each other. Carefully disconnect the ribbon cable. Remove the main board from the battery. Take out the old, damaged battery. Put in the new replacement battery. Glue the main board back on. Extra carefully reattach the ribbon cable. Connect the two boards together. Put the earbud body back together and put the earbud in the charging case to start charging and wake them up. Put earbud in your ear. If you hear any sound coming from the earpiece, you know that you have fixed this earbud correctly and the new replacement battery is working. Put a few small drops of glue on the edge of the earphone housing and glue the two sides together. Leave the headphones pressed together until the glue hardens. Then put the silicone ear tip back on and I can congratulate you. You have now saved at least $200 not buying new headphones. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them below this video. If you're really happy with what you've done, feel free to use the super thanks button to support me. But for now, I wish you a nice holiday.